Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade ice cream lollies. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of sugar, and your favorite flavorings like vanilla or fruit puree. Next, prepare your lolly molds by ensuring they are clean and dry, then insert the sticks. Finally, chill your prepared mixture for at least 30 minutes before pouring it into the molds. This initial chilling step is crucial for a smooth, creamy result. Now let's get to the fun part, mixing and flavoring. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar fully dissolves. Be careful not to let it boil. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove it from the heat and stir in your chosen flavorings, like 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or 1/4 cup of fruit puree, for a delightful taste. Once your mixture is flavored and cooled, it's time to freeze. Carefully pour the chilled ice cream base into your lolly molds, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. Place the molds in the freezer and let them solidify for at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight. When ready to enjoy, briefly run the outside of the molds under warm water for about 10 seconds to help release the lollies easily. Then, simply pull them out and enjoy. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's explore some creative variations. Feel free to experiment with different fruit purees, like strawberry or mango, or add mix-ins such as mini chocolate chips or crushed cookies for extra texture. For an indulgent twist, dip your fully frozen lollies into melted chocolate and then sprinkle with nuts or colorful sprinkles before refreezing briefly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Eau à la water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your delicious, homemade ice cream lollies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.